Good boy. What are you doing? Did you get a new friend? You did? Don't take those off. Those are working. Nice, huh? Let's see. Let's see Mom's duct tape. Let me see. Oh, duct tape and some foam. Nice. 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 Lucky, no. 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 Might be a problem now that you got cushion on your toes. No, Lucky. We don't chase the cat. No. No. Right, Grace? Are you okay, Leo? No. Oh my God. Oh my God. You're pretty good at jumping. Alright. No, you can't get the kitty. Come on, you have to get off. Okay. Don't do that. Yeah, that won't make your new mom happy. Come on. Aw, where'd Gracie go? What happened, Gracie? Oh, you're such a good baby, Gracie. Thanks for being nice to him. Here, my girl. Oh, you're such a good pup. Sit down, Grace. Sit down, Grace. Good girl. Stay. Let him see you. I know. You're such a good pup. Thanks for being good. Grace, thanks for being good. I know, you want out. Not yet, guys. No, Paula, be quiet.